This is a 15,000 BTU air conditioner, and it's behind my attic. It actually runs through the attic. It's got two 10-inch ducts, insulated ductwork, about 22 feet long, that drops in the house. And I tore off a control panel that was on here and extended that and dropped it in the house too. This is the intake, and that's the blowout. That's the control device that I tore off and just dropped it in here. I'll have to trim that. And that's the intake. And that's the blowout. So it's a lot quieter.